everyone, two things for you today. First, I want to talk about the 25,000 subscriber milestone that we've crossed last week. It's been a while. I'm a small channel, but I guess there's a lot of people who really enjoy my content and support my geekiness. So thanks to every single one of you. I really appreciate you. And now, to show a token of my appreciation, I wanted to do a little subscriber giveaway. Black Friday is coming up. Might as well do it. It might come in handy. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give out 2 Keys Motorsports gift cards worth $100 each. And I'm also going to do 2 minor runner-up prizes. So 4 people in total will be chosen. And to enter the little competition, all you have to do is the following. I'm gonna post a link in the description of this video to another video of mine, which I want to hit 1 million views. Now, it's at around, I think, 560,000 or so. Now, I don't want the video to hit 1 million before I obviously do the giveaway. We're going to announce the giveaway on Wednesday, so in 2 days. But all you have to do is go to that video, make sure you like it and leave a comment, anything. Then come back to this video that you're watching right now and leave whatever comment you want. What I'm gonna do is, on Wednesday, sometime in the afternoon, I'm going to select the person who did those 2 things. So first, I'll see if whoever left a comment under this video, then I'm gonna compare it to the other video. And if the 2 names match, that is the person who's going to be selected. Now, the selection will be made at random, so you never know who will win. And again, 4 prizes in total. 4 people, individual people, will be selected. 2 $100 Keys Motorsports gift cards and 2 miscellaneous prizes. There are some things lying in my garage that I want to give away, so I'll be doing just that. You entering this competition will also be helping me with promoting my video, so it's a win-win situation. So thank you for that. Now, the second thing I wanted to share with you real quick is I am in my car right now. I just picked it up from the dealer. Why? Because I had to have some work done. Now, if you know me and my channel, you know that I do a lot of the stuff myself. The car is still under warranty for a couple of months, and when I was under the car a couple of months ago, I noticed that the rear diff was leaking just a little bit. It wasn't anything to be concerned about, but obviously it wasn't a job that I was willing to tackle myself. So I brought my car to my friendly dealer that I use all the time. And first of all, if you people are bringing your precious car, especially if it's got some modifications, it's a good idea to tip your service advisor before you drop off the car. The car can be under warranty, but it's important to show your appreciation, because these guys and girls really, a lot of times, by the way, look how cool this Porsche is. Look at this purple Porsche. Anyways, yeah, so these guys and girls really, a lot of time, go out of your way to give you the extra services you may not necessarily deserve or qualify for. So every time I drop off my service, I be sure to take care of the people who take care of me, and that goes a long way. So, and also, what I do is, check this out. This is the note that I typically leave. So these service tech, please be mindful of no software update for obvious reasons. Front lip is very low. Thank you. They know what it means. And usually with a note like this, you have no issues. So here's the big thing that was replaced. And now, as I read the description, this is what it says. CS oil leak in rear of car from differential. So that's one. Then it continues. There's a pretty long paragraph. Rear diff pinion shaft seal leaking. Collar nut was seized. Also, drive shaft will not retract to be removed. After was removed during installation, drive shaft will extract. Special puller had to be used at the guibo to be extracted. Verified leak from rear diff pinion seal. With the help of another tech and excessive heat application on the collar not let loose. Also found excessive force needed to retract drive shaft and remove it. Work time. Replace pinion seal, top of oil level, install new collar nut, and install drive shaft. Yikes! So again, all this work that required a collar nut, gasket, shaft seal, repair kit insert, screw with washer, hex bolt with washer, Philister head screw was performed under warranty, free of charge to me. And I am very, very thankful for that, because that would have been a hefty bill. While there, I had my last service performed. Even though I'm at almost 34,000 miles, the last service was done at 30K. I still had, I think, had one free service left. So they also did an oil change. They did a cabin filter change. They topped off all the fluids, and what else? And a couple of other things. So again, this visit cost me $0, and obviously huge part of it is the fact that I'm on the warranty, but also a big part of it is the fact that I take care of my service techs. So if you're in a similar situation, be sure to take care of your service techs, because again, it's a very, very important thing to do. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this video, which was supposed to be very quick. I hope you enter the competition, because I really want to give away those prizes. And thank you very much for watching. I've got another video hopefully lined up to come out later this week. I have a little car that I'm reviewing, and I hope you enjoy that one as well. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.